Gage, you need to get up. You're in trouble.
No.
Bad grades. What is this? What is this, Gage?
Report card.
You made a bunch of F's. It says you failed. What do you have to say for yourself, Gage?
I don't know.
You're going to be grounded. Do you hear me?
Are you going to steal my bed?
You're so grounded for this. I can't even begin to tell you how grounded you are for this. Are you ready?
Yes.
You're so grounded.
What the heck? Mom, what the heck? Mom! What was that for?
That's for making bad grades. No TV, no iPad, no phone, no cuss words, no YouTube, no Musical.ly, no nothing. You got it, mister?
Yes. Cut the camera.
I think I tell you what's going down here, buddy. I tell you how it's going to be. And this is how it's going to be. We don't hit our mom. That's disrespectful. Clean that up right now.
No.
Clean it up. This is how it's going to be. This is how we're going to roll up in here. You hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, you're in big trouble. And you haven't had nothing to eat today, so I expect you to eat.
Are you not
Instead of making videos,
Mommy,
you need to be
please
eating.
Buy me a new toy.
Oh, I ain't buying you no toy. You don't get rewarded for bad behavior and bad grades.
Can I play games?
You're in very big trouble.
Can I play games?
Nope, no nothing. And don't go outside. There's a man out there.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Why did you steal my bed?
Where'd he go? He's out there somewhere. Listen, your punishment is you get to clean your bed up.
I don't know. What did I do in my life?
No TV, no Minecraft. Why did you make bad grades, Gage?
Because I don't listen. My space curry is a bad teacher.
Well, school's fixing to start back, and I want you to do a better job.
No!
It's important.
No!